My name is Brantley, and I'm 6 years old, and I'm going to cook a prime steak for my mom, for my grandpa, and for my Gigi, and for my brother, using the Meatrix System. First, you measure to find the measure of the steak. Sideways. And stick it. Feel it under. So, that's it. I'm going to use this. Yeah. I did it. Now we push the start button and wait for the Meatrix to tell us what's next. Yeah. I'm going to cook my mom's steak. Now I'm going to hit the start button. Oh. The Meatrix is telling me to flip. Now the Meatrix tells me to stop the beep.
Other side. Other side. Good job.
Now we have to wait for the Meatrix to tell us what to do next. The Meatrix is beeping. It's telling me to flip.
The splashing, touch it.
This side?
The splashing, yeah.
Oh. Now it's time to wait for the next meat. Wee, roundabout. Wee. The Meatrix tells me this one is too hot. I will take it off and let it cool. The Meatrix is telling me to flip.
This is going to be so yummy.
Yep, because I made it.
Yeah, because you made it.
The Meatrix is telling me it's done. So guys, That's how you cook a steak. That's how you cook a steak using the Meatrix system. Really easy.
How'd your first steak go so far? Is the Meatrix easy to use?
Yep.
All right, that's good. Now, I can't wait to taste your first prime steak.
My first prime?
Yeah.
Oh.
We're starting you off with the big boy stuff. This Meatrix is so easy to use that you'll just be able to do it, and there's no fear it's going to mess up because you're going to do it just perfect.
Yep.
So we'll just wait for the beep. Ready? Cheers. Hey.